Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to change your availabilities on the Webex app. So on the upper left-hand corner, you'll see your profile. You just press that. On availabilities, you could just set the availability that you have. If you are available, it's going to show up as a green circle. If you are busy, you can set how long you are going to be busy for, and you can customize the length of your time that you are going to be busy. And then once you're happy, you could just press save and it's going to show up as this circle right here. If you want to clear your status, you could just press clear and it's going to go back to available. If you do not want to be disturbed, you could also set the time frame on the DND or your profile, and you could also manage your quiet hours. So if you want to manage your quiet hours, these are the hours that you will not be getting any notifications. Let's say your quiet hours are daily from when you are off of work, from like, let's say 5 p.m. to like 8 a.m. the next day. You won't be showing any notifications on your taskbar. And you can repeat it throughout the days that you are working. And then once you're happy with it, you just press save. That's it. That's how you edit your availabilities on the Webex app.